Hi, this is Kiran Kumar, and today we'll be learning how the shape of a fuel will change the rate of burning. Now, as you see, I am having two pieces of paper, paper A and paper B. Now, we will be burning these two pieces of paper at the same time, but the rate of burning will change. I am folding this paper and making a ball of paper, another one as a simple sheet of paper. Now, we'll be burning it at the same time. Now as you see, both the papers are burning, but the sheet of paper is burning very fast, whereas the ball of paper is burning slowly. This is catching fire, it's burning big flames you can see in this sheet of paper, whereas in the ball of paper is very small, burning very slowly, a smoldering fire kind of this. This is almost burned completely and still this is burning. See, the rate of burning in the sheet of paper is more, whereas the rate of burning in this ball of paper is very less. Why this is happening? This is happening because in the sheet of paper, lot of oxygen is supplied and the rate of burning is high. Whereas in the ball of paper, the rate of burning is slow because the oxygen is not supplied at the internal part of the paper. Now, this is very useful because the fuel is same. The quantity of fuel was same in the both of the cases, case A and case B. But the rate of burning, here the fire was very fast and it has been extinguished till now. Whereas the ball of paper is still burning. So this is all from Kiran Kumar. Thank you. Thank you very much.